With a nearby beautiful coast and historic district, Savannah is a popular place for travellers to visit. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the things to know before you go to Savannah, Georgia. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at the best time to visit Savannah. So the best time to visit is between March and July, when temperatures are warm and flowers are blooming. There are plenty of festivals to attend during the summer months, but this does result in higher hotel rates. For those traveling on a budget, visit Savannah between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Everything is open, the weather is cooler, and prices are much lower. So now let's look at getting there. The Savannah Hilton Head International Airport is the nearest airport to the city, located around 12 miles from downtown and offering direct flights to around 30 domestic airports. Traveling internationally, you could fly via Atlanta and other destinations in the US. Once you land, you can catch a taxi, rent a car, or use the airport express bus to get you to your hotel. There are also various train routes that stop by Savannah, and the Amtrak station is just 4 miles from downtown, making the train a popular option. So now let's talk about getting around. There are various ways of getting around Savannah, with a popular option being to cycle. Bike Walk Savannah is an organisation that is working towards making the town even more bike friendly, making this a great option for visitors. Whilst the DOT is a free service that helps visitors and residents get around downtown Savannah running throughout the day. There are also plenty of tours around Savannah, including horse-drawn carriages, Segway tours, walking tours, and trolley tours. So now let's look at the typical prices. So you will find plenty of bed and breakfasts and family run inns here. You won't find too many hostels or even budget hotels. Staying further away from downtown, you can get a private room in a chain hotel for around $55, whilst a 3-star hotel starts at $150. Luxury hotels and inns start at around $240. Breakfast and lunch can be found for under $15, whilst dinner for two starts at around $40 at a sit-down restaurant. One-way bus tickets cost $1.50, with passes available from $3, but the DOT is free to use and gets you around most locations in the downtown area. So Savannah is becoming more and more popular, meaning the prices are rising. However, there are some ways that you can save some money here too. Like we mentioned before, travel in the off-season for cheaper prices, but stick to the hotels in the downtown area so that you can take advantage of the free DOT transportation. Visit the free attractions like Forsyth Park, the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist, and the nearby beaches before heading to one of the many mom-and-pop restaurants in the city. These are delicious and often offer bigger portions for cheaper prices than the chain restaurants. We will leave a link in the description below for some of the best mom and pop restaurants in Savannah. So now let's look at the things to do. There are plenty of things to see and do in Savannah, Georgia. Head down the historic district, then learn more about the history of the area at one of the many museums. Take an old Savannah trolley tour, then get shopping at the city market. Learn more about the dark past of the Savannah area at the Owens Thomas House, then try some southern cooking at the Wilkes House. Watch this video to find out the best things to do in America. Then, to find out ways to save money in the USA, watch this video. We hope you have a great time in Savannah, stay safe and stay creative.